Hello, my name is Ed Hilligrass and I'm the Executive Vice President here at Diversified Machine Systems. We're here today at the IMTS 2016 conference, and what I'd like to do today is show you a little bit about what we're displaying here at the conference. As you look over here to my left, this machine is actually doing some on-machine inspection. As opposed to actually removing a part for CMM, what we're actually doing is using the Autodesk Power Inspect product to actually inspect the product while it's on there. And what that inspection entails is usually using a touch probe from, in this case from Marpas, to actually touch certain points along the surface of our part that we've made on the machine. And after that surface is probed, we actually compare that to the 3D CAD model so that we can actually make changes and stuff through the inspection reports that actually go right into the machine and the application stuff, so we can make changes and improvements to the part. So over here at this video display station, what we're showing is one of the premier products for the IIoT that DMS can provide. That's integrated fully with the Fagor and in the native environment. This comes from Simco. This is a software package that actually allows us to do actual display and monitoring of all the machinery, its operations, everything from scheduling through dashboard displays, integration with barcode, editing of and management of all of the applications and programs and such for the manufacturing data environment. So our first stop on the Simco MDM is in the Simco editor right here. This is actually the PDM product, where it's very versatile. It actually houses all of your manufacturing programs, databases, tool lists, and so on. So this is just a quick feel on how you navigate quickly through that product. And then what we'll do is we'll move on to the job scheduler. This is it's a beautiful interactive piece which allows us to actually reschedule jobs onto different machines, as well as you can see on the scheduler itself, jobs that have already run that are highlighted in red actually indicate work orders, and then some basic things like job run times and so on and so forth. The next product we're going to take a quick look at is actually the machine monitoring. This actually, in conjunction with the scheduler, the PDM, and this entire system, it actually has an online dashboard that allows us to monitor each one of the systems, which job it's running, and provide daily timeline reporting for business planning purposes as well, and integration into manufacturing information systems at all levels of the organization. The last piece here was that we talk about is some of the operator screens. So everything that's not necessarily tracked by the machine itself and requires operator intervention can actually be done from these screens right on the console, allowing, again, from a touchscreen perspective, somebody to select that they're set in a setup mode where it'll actually change the display and stuff from the functional modes into something like a setup, part complete, maybe a missing material, somebody's left for lunch, and so on and so forth. Last but not least, as you can see, all of this can also be used on handheld devices like a tablet that's on display here in the front, as well as a cell phone, iPhone, wherever, being able to look into the manufacturing environment via a virtual private network. So it's secure and allows production managers to oversee the same data that they see on all the PCs in the factory. So here at our second display station, one of the things we're actually demonstrating here through a live feed back to our factory is one of our newest machines, our M5 metalworking machine, which is a 5-axis metalworking machine. This machine is, like I said, live feed with the factory right now. Wasn't able to make it out here to the show, but this product itself is designed for doing heavy steel work, as well as aluminum machining and so on of heavier materials. As we step over here to this display, One of the features of this machine that we're showing here as well, which is also on our new M5, is the new 8065 controller from Fagor. This actually has an integrated touchscreen that allows our operators as well to manage and maneuver through the screens, which is also integrated with our IoT software as well too. So all of the touchscreen allows them to navigate screens through the IoT software, as well as the control to be able to change displays, change views, and be able to easily use this control to operate this system. Thank you very much for watching here today. If you'd like any more information about Diversified Machine Systems and any of our products or software technologies, please feel free to contact us at www.dmscncrouters.com.